Warning: the content in this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing shared here should be considered financial advice. Trading futures, stocks, or any financial instrument involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. I highly recommend consulting a financial advisor and starting with paper trading, simulation, and doing your own research before risking real money. All right, greetings everybody. This is A-Team Trading Strategies here with you again for tonight's overnight session, Thursday night. So, still hanging out in the overbought range on the daily, but we had a nice pullback early today. Yesterday's trading technically. And looks like we're starting off the day green here. So that's cool. That's awesome. So we're going to work our way down daily, 4 hour, right down there in the middle. So not one way or the other. And 3 hour towards the overbought, just coming out of that range. 2 hour, still looking overbought. 1 hour, still in the overbought range. So I'm thinking we're going to be looking for a little bit longer term hold for a long 30-minute. Looks like we just had a little pop. May have kind of missed a lot of the move, but that's okay. That's why we DCA. 10-minute is overbought. 5-minute overbought. So, looking for a little pullback. So we're just going to go ahead and go in for one short here. All right. And we're not expecting a whole lot. We'll put a little stop in for 300. And our target will be the VWAP, 537. And then when it gets down there, we'll be looking to go long. All right, so we got our first trade in for the night. I don't know where my lion went, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. Excuse me. We'll just put another one in there because it is the lion market. We're not like full bore bull tonight just yet. And look at that. We're halfway to our 10K milestone. So let's go ahead and put our little lion friend around here. You got to be brave nowadays to be trading this market. And it looks like all our levels, key levels, have been holding up. I don't see anything really too far off. And all right, so looks like we had a big old dip towards the end of the trading day. We started off dip, rip, and then bounce, bounce, and then bam, finally got it. And then after that, another little rip, and then bounce, 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 bounce to close the day red, which is good. We're going to need that momentum, so I'm thinking now we're probably not going to hit the all-time high. Probably not until Friday, 13th. Friday the 13th is my call. But until then, we'll just play with what we got. All right, so we'll just wait. I'm not going to DCA into this one. I'm just waiting for the pullback to the VWAP. All right, folks. So we're just going to go ahead and buy one since we got that wick. And we'll just do the same kind of concept. You know, we're going to 1, then 3, and 6. This is our buy range. We'll just use the VWAP as the deviations and the middle of the VWAP as our buy ranges here. And we'll just go ahead and go 1, 2, and then 3 for a total of 6. Should we happen to need it? I'm pretty comfortable now with this whole trading view platform, so getting smoother with entering and exiting trades, and I think I'm comfortable. So Sunday night, we'll be trading a funded account since we passed our eval, and we'll see how we do. See how we do using this method. Not much buffer on the funded account, so we might possibly just start off with micros. I'm not sure, or just like instead of doing it like this, just one and two. Do it like that. Total of 3 contracts with a tight stop after 3. But we'll see. Anyway, we're just waiting now. We're going to let this play out and do whatever it does. All right, there we are. And as I said, I'll just be right back in for one. That's the plan. Got to stick to it. And we'll DCA as necessary. We're going to move these buy limits up a little bit. There we go. We want a cool 2 hundo on that trade. So we're doing good on the night. We're almost at another 1,000 up. So up about 700 on the night. I don't know if there's going to be a drastic pump up. I mean, there might be, though. It looks like it wants one, but we may just grind up slowly on the night. Looks like that's what it wants to do. Or dip, it rip. I don't know. Not sure. 10-minute. Yeah, we're still kind of overbought. I may just make this a quick scalp and go in short again if we pop up again. It's kind of tough. Got to kind of play the shorter time frames right now. 1 minute. Okay, we are kind of oversold. So, you know what? Here's what we'll do. We'll just keep our eye on the 1 minute for now and exit. We'll be looking for a target. Maybe up here for another 200. Another $200 trade would be good. Let's see if that works out. All right, everybody. So I'm looking at this, and I am not sure, but it looks like the plan may be to go to the previous low of day and rocket off of there. I'm not sure. I'm just hoping that this target gets filled and I could be done for the night. But it's looking really weak and about to just fall off the cliff here. I mean, we're right in the middle, and we are in a bull market, sure, but I'm not feeling this now. I mean, ever since we had that pump, I think that was the initial move, and Now it's just been consolidating, and sometimes it just consolidates to go ahead and retest lows before going up again. Hmm. I may just want to get out of this trade as it is. And watch, I might be speaking too late. I might be speaking too late, and this will just fall out on me. You know what we're going to do? Just in case, we're going to put a stop loss, and then I'm going to put a sell in. We're going to get rid of these, right? And we're going to put a sell limit right here. Sell stop. All right, we're close. You know what? I'm moving my stop up. Gonna lock in this as a winner for a hundo. All right, since I got the hundo locked in, I'm just gonna remove my target. See how far this can go. Will it break? Will it break to the new level? I don't know. We're getting a little oversold on the 5 minute, so we'll see. All right. Well, I got stopped out for 100. That's a winner. So we're gonna remove this. No working positions left, I think. So that's good. 100% winning night tonight. And we'll call it a night. I'll take it. Anyway, this is A Team Trading Strategies signing off.